Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Aya. Today I have a small haul to share with you. It has been a while since I shared a haul. I know not everyone likes to watch haul videos. Sometimes I get nasty comments. So I don't know. I know, especially in my latest art supplies haul. I don't shop my art supplies using your money, so please have a peace of mind. And thank you so much for worrying about me and my family, but my purchases will not affect our expenses, so thank you so much for caring about me and my expenses. Okay. Anyway, let me share with you the haul. So from Mama Elephant's release, it has been a while since I shopped from Mama Elephant website, but they were having 10% off. I know that's not much usually. I think Mama Elephant is the only, okay, I take this back, maybe not the only, but I feel they always have 10% off only in their birthday or on what do you call it, Black Friday. That's it. And they will never, I mean, if you want to buy something in their girl price, but 10% is fine. So what I got from the release, first I got eyelet frames. Cute. I got this one called postage grid cover. Very beautiful. I like it, and I like the designs that the design team made using this die. From the stamps, I got Little Agenda Sweets. So cute, so cute. And because it has ginger, so I bought the ginger stamp. I had this one, then I destashed it, when I moved, so I bought it back. This one called Little Agenda Gingerbread. So cute, so they can go together. Then I got this one, Mama Elephant, the Nutcracker. So cute, I really like it. And the last stamp I got, this one, this is old one called Snow Friends. So cute. So these are the 4 stamps that I got, and the rest will be dies, all dies. So I got this one called Postage Frame. Then deckled frames. I don't have this one. This one called Combo Square. Combo Rectangle. This one called Zipper. I don't know, it's fun. Then I got Bella Frame. Flurry Frame. Flirty Scallop. Then this one's Scalloped frames. Santa Elf Face. And this is Monkey. Cow. I love cows. This is Bunny. This is Penguin. What is this? This is Pop-Up Trio to make, pop-up cards. This one called Stacked Circle. I didn't have any. This is so large. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, I don't have really a big scalloped circle. And last but not least, mushroom hole. The second haul is from Impression Obsession, and they are closing down, unfortunately. So they are having 30% off site-wide. I placed 2 orders, so let me share with you what I got. I got this die. This one, I think most of the dies that I got is designed by Anna White. I really like her designs. Okay, so this cute one called Ginger Cookie. It's a small one. Small ginger. I got this duck one called Duck. A chick. Mother's Day flower. Unfortunately, some of these dies are sold out, so it will not be restocking, and some still there. So I'm gonna leave the link in their website if you are interested. Or here's the website, iostamps.com. And this one called a small snow one. I feel that I have this die. I'm not sure. To be honest, I went crazy and I shopped, and I'm sure that I have duplicates. So watch out my stash page in case you know, I have duplicates. Okay, so this one called baking utensils. This one called coffee and cocoa. Soup spoons, 3 sizes of spoons. This one sitting hen, so cute. This one called, this is available. Last time when I placed my second order, I saw this available. This is so beautiful. It reminds me of the Greenery also cookie die. And this one called Valentine cookies. This one called cocoa mug. This one smart cookies, so cute. This one called Cocoa Bear. I like that he can hug, you know, a mug. You can put anything, you know, between his hands. This one called gingerbread with heart. Adorable. This one called balloon strings. This one called baked cookies. These, you know, go together. This is primitive gingerbread and primitive gingerbread accessories, and they are still available on the website. I checked them, which was yesterday, and I don't know when I'm going to publish this video. I will try to do it as soon as possible. This one, snowman and scarf. So cute. And this one called Primitive Snowman. Hearts, different shape of hearts. This one called Soup Owls. Hi everyone, this is Aya. Welcome back to my channel. I have another haul to share with you. So this order from Impression Obsession. They are closing, I think, by end of this year, and they have 30% off everything in the website. So let me share with you what I got. So I got this die designed by Anna White, and it's called Postage Stamp Die. I got this die too called Cookie Plate by Anna. I got this too, this one called Heart Shelf. Another one, this is postage stamps, but this one is large. So let me show you the difference. I got this one called Cute Scalloped Rectangle. It's a really small one. This one too called Sewing Accessories. And last but not least, this one called Small Layered Bow. Okay, so this is from Impression Obsession. Then I placed an order in, what do you call this one? Yeah, Tailored Expression. I really love their envelope. So beautiful. So first let me show you what they sent me as a gift. This postage stamp. So cute. Okay, sorry, it's upside down. So cute. It's a spider. So cute. And this one also was a gift. This one called Teeny Cards. Cute. So what I got from them, I ordered this die called Bake Me Happy. So beautiful, I like it. And I got this chicken, it's called chicken? Spring chickens. Yes, it says stencil and stamp. And I ordered anyway from them because I really want the Misty. I used to have it when I moved. I discharged most of my stuff. Then now here I am. But again, I really like this color. What do you call it? Teal color. So I think I have my. So let me show it to you from inside. So it comes with these papers and magnets.
and this is like a foam. But anyway, I'm gonna put my waffle flour. Thanks for watching. See you next time.